Just got out of bed. December the 9th, 2018. Here's what we woke up to. Now it's 7:30 a.m. I just looked at the news. They're saying 9 inches of snow. Not sure. I mean, if it keeps this up right here, it's going to be more than 9. But here we go. First time I can remember snow in December in years. It's early December. I hear a plow truck going down the road across the way. Here comes a car. Look at him sliding. I hope I caught that on film. I think I did. So, people get out and travel in this stuff when they ought to just sit at home. Let's see how this car does coming up the road. There you go. He's going way too fast. Things on the brakes. He's getting a pickle. But anyway, I'll periodically do updates. 11:11, doing an update. So there's the snow on my table. It's still snowing. Work out the old tape measure. Let's see what it says. Right there, 8 inches, and it's still snowing. All right, be back with another update here in a second. All right, it's update time. It's just past noon, and it is still snowing hard here in Roanoke. I shoveled the first time real quick, and look how hard it's still snowing. I haven't seen snow like this in December since, I mean, I can't remember when. Maybe when I was a kid or something. Not since I've been an adult. Look how hard it's snowing. I shoveled out to here one time just because it's so daggone deep. I'm trying to save my back. I say at this pace, right now it's noon, and according to the internet, it's not supposed to stop until about 8 o'clock. And if that's the case, then we're going to have more than any 12 inches. Alright, I'll do another update, and including measurements around 2 o'clock. Alright, it's 1:15. It's still snowing really hard here in Roanoke, and I'm going to get an official measurement on the table. Here we go. Check it out. 11 inches of snow, and still coming hard. 1:15. Good Lord, it's hard to walk in this snow like this. Here's the main road where I live. Check it out. This is crazy bad. That car right there is going way too fast, begging to wreck. Here comes some more. I hope these people absolutely have to be out. It's crazy to be out on these roads. Anyway, this is it. Look at this snowstorm. Alright. What time is it, love? Stop, Alex. Alright, it's about 2:30 or so, and we're taking our dogs for a walk. I don't know if it's how much more we're going to get. It's saying 3 to 5. Got the little dog Cricket running in that tire tray.
Stay with me. Come on. Cricket.
Cricket, no.
Stay here. Good girl. Good girl, though.
We're going down toward the playground. See if Cricket turns down that way. Look at that. She knew he was going that way. Look at her.
Go on. We're coming.
Little dog jumping on there.
Come on. Cricket. Cricket. Come.
Yeah, when he hooked them both to that sled.
Track, they took them.
Yeah, you'd get way down there and call for them.
Yeah.
So when we had them on that double leash.
Yeah.
Don't eat the yellow snow.
Good boy, Alex. Good boy. This hat looks like it's too small for my head. How you looking? It's a discarded one, but I thought it was cute. Does that look like a big old head?
No, it's a cool hat.
Come on. Cricket is like really like, she's gonna be tired.
You sleep like a baby. Hell, Alex's belly's rubbing.
Look at Cricket in the deep part.
All right.
This child abuse.
No,
Child abuse.
just fish out there a little bit.
Come on.
Here's what a 8-inch dog looks like in 12 inches of snow. Go Cricket, come on. Get out in front of us.
Come on, Crick. Come on, Crick.
She'll sleep good tonight. It's 3:12. It is still snowing. We took the dogs for a walk. We got about 2.5 hours of daylight left, and it's absolutely crazy. December the 9th, 2018. We have at least 12 inches of snow, probably more. I'll measure it when I get home. Look at this stuff, folks. Still snowing hard. Poor old lab bear. She's getting a workout and a half in. I love you. Here we go. Look at this. The debate for me and Lisa, it's Sunday. School's canceled for tomorrow. She says we won't go back till at least Thursday. I think we might go back on Wednesday if it gets real warm. But she's probably right. Anyway, we'll be back when we measure. Okay, 4:45. It's still snowing. It's not snowing as hard now. I came out here and dug out the Subaru in case of emergency or something. We can get out. Last measurement I did was 13 inches, and it's snowed some since then. I'll do a final one after it stops. Look at this road. This is crazy. Look at this. Whew. Nuts. Here, this might be the last chance I get to walk up by the main road. It'll be dark on us here in a little bit. So, here I go. You can hear my neighbor with his snowblower out. Let's walk up through here. Not bad following his tracks. The only problem is these people ride on these roads and pack them down. Makes it harder for them to clear. I know people have to get out and stuff. You can just not ride on them until they plow them and clear a lot quicker. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Go up here and look at the main road. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Now that is a main road. Tons of people live up that way right there. That heads to Bent Mountain. I'd hate to see what it's like on that mountain. Main road is awful. Well, time will tell. Wonder how many days we'll be out of school. All right, I'll give a final measurement when it stops snowing, and that might be it. The great dig out now begins. All right, it's 6:42 and it is still snowing. So you can see it. Check it out. I'll shine my flashlight out there. Look how hard it's still snowing. 6:40, it's been snowing all day. We're gonna go over here and get us another reading. Kind of tricky holding this flashlight and GoPro and everything at the same time. Let's see. Pulled it up on me. That was right at 14. Right at 14 at 6:40. This is a little finer snow, but 14 inches of snow's on that table, and it's still snowing. I guess I'll check about an hour or so and see if it's done. All right, 7:46. And it looks like it is finally, this is the end of it. There's a really fine snow coming down. When you look at the radar, it looks like we're at the tail end of this thing finally. So I'm going to do one last reading, and that'll be it for this video. Let me get my ruler. Alright, look at the amount of snow on that table. Crazy. December the 9th. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think it's still working. The screen just went out. Alright, let's do our final reading here. And the final is about 14 and a half. So that's it. 14 and a half inches Snowstorm Diego.